So HVAC is going to be heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. In our class here, we take care of really all aspects of heating and cooling, including ventilation, from furnaces to air conditioners to blower motors and everything in between.
So our junior year, we run the COI program, so they're going to come to me for only 9-week period. They're going to go through basic blueprint reading, making toolboxes and ductwork fittings. The senior year, they're with me all year long, learning the refrigeration cycle and actually installing and brazing copper line sets.
It's very hands-on, like more so than a regular school, obviously, and that's, I feel like, why people are so attracted to this and stay here. We start in the classroom and he goes over whatever we're learning that day or reviewing. And I'd say like that's like 15 minutes max, then right into the workshop, and it's very hands-on. He'll go through some tools if we're unfamiliar with them.
We installed our air conditioner to our furnace, and right now we're testing to make sure that all of them have enough refrigerant. If they don't, we're gonna go into the process of putting more refrigerant if they need it, or if they have too much, we'll take it out. Just basically going over what you would do in the real world.
We're getting ready for our EPA certifications, just studying with each other, diagnosing furnaces, fixing thermostats, connecting thermostat wires.
We have a very close program with Spire, the gas company. And so we've gone on 3 or 4 field trips with them. We're also going to be having a field trip here soon with Local 36 to go view their warehouse and building. We've also gone to State Tech to view the campus and learn about all the different programs and opportunities they have there.
I do have internship opportunities, so I have 2 kids out working right now between their junior and senior year, and they'll continue to work all summer long. We do partner with American Trade School and Rankin to move on to further educate yourself, or we have a lot of opportunities for those jobs right out of high school.
Basically, all the tools and equipment are the same exact thing that we use out in the field. So everything from hand tools to power tools to refrigeration equipment, refrigeration gauges.
Here's actually people that want to learn. It's hands-on, more fun, more proactive.
It's basically going to be a huge opportunity to do something that you really love, and it'll open up a lot of gateways, and you'll meet a lot of new people who can possibly become lifelong friends, and it's a really great place here.